Hey guys, welcome back. Now the wait is over and I came with an exclusive unboxing video of Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And the phone is going to launch on 19th September 2019 in Germany. And now without any wait, let's begin with the unboxing video of Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Here you can see the box of Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Let's open the box. You can see device itself. Device is wrapped in a plastic paper. On the back of device, there is a circular camera setup. There are 4 cameras on the back. And on the right side, there is power button in red color. And in front, there is a flowing AMOLED display with a camera notch. Touchscreen is 6.1-inch AMOLED display. The phone is coming with an octa-core high silicon Kirin 985 processor, which is powered by 4200 mAh battery. And the phone is running on Android OS, as you can see in this video. And guys, there is only one button on the phone, that is power button. And for the volume, they have virtual power buttons for the volume rockers. And the phone is coming with 4 different colors: red, blue, cosmic green and black color. Guys, here is a look of cosmic purple color and it looks very stunning in hands. And here is a look of cosmic blue color in hands. And according to some rumors, the phone is also coming with Porsche design. And guys, here is a slow motion video camera performance of Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And the video looks very smooth and crisp, as you can see. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. We will keep you updated.